Hey guys, Leg here. Final stages of my sauna build. I wanted to show you guys how to install an outdoor faucet that's going to help you prevent from cold, frostbite, and so on. It's basically one of these guys. I'm using the Shark Bite edition. I'll put a link to it below. But it's the 1/2 inch for 1/2 inch tubing. And it's a 10-inch tube because it's going to go right in here. I have 6-inch studs here, so I'm going to drill right in the middle of it. It's going to keep protected from the cold right inside the stud. It's going to connect into here, and it's going to give us water access. I ran the water to my sauna from my house underground. Did a video on that if you're curious. I'll put a link below, just check my channel, but let me show you guys how I get this done. Alrighty, so I measured out the middle of the 2x4 stud actually here. So I'm going to drill my hole about this height using a 1-inch wood drilling bit here, which is about what this is, and it's the biggest I got, so we'll see how that works. So we'll drill right through, and then we'll put it through and test it. I need a little extension. Just using a regular bit holder. Out of all the spots, I think I've got a screw. Yep. And directly onto. So we gotta get that screw up. And that's literally the only screw in this whole distance. Let's see if this fits through. Almost. Perfect. Now we cut the pipe in, insulate it, connect it, and we're done. I just want to make sure I get that white plastic sleeve into the pipe. Okay. So that's this part. We can insulate it now. I'm just going to test to make sure there is no leakage. Close this. Turn the water on. No water here. We got water here, so that works. Perfect. Now we can just do some extra insulation. I'm also going to have wall insulation in here, but it doesn't hurt. I'm going to run this all the way over this. electrical tape just to hold it better. There we go, we're all set. Couple screws in the faucet itself, and we are all done. We got water in our sauna, backyard shed, whatever you're doing. But that's basically the idea, guys. Hopefully that's helpful. Please subscribe, follow, check out my channel for lots of cool how-to videos. Thanks so much. Oh yeah, stay tuned for the sauna build as well. Almost done.